Today we're going to learn about triangles, and we just left the Pythagorean theorem. Does everybody remember that from like 5 days ago? The Pythagorean theorem, what is a theorem? Something proven to be true. So the Pythagorean theorem was all about what type of triangle? Right triangles. Today we're just going to look at any type of triangle and some theorems, something proven to be true about triangles. So the first thing you need to know is some vocabulary words. What does it mean to be interior? Inside. So if I say the interior angles of a triangle, I'm talking about the inside angles. So everybody look at this picture. If I have this triangle right here, there are 3 interior angles. Yes? Yes? Okay. There are also exterior. What does exterior mean?
Outside.
Outside. So there's also exterior angles to a triangle. And that's like if you continue a line past the triangle, it forms this exterior angle. So does everybody see how this triangle's line keeps going right here? Here's an exterior angle. Yes? Everybody good with exterior and interior? Yes or no? Okay. So those are the vocabulary words you need to know. Now, this is the angle sum theorem. I think you learned this in 7th grade, but if you didn't, it's super easy. It basically says the interior angle measure. So all 3 inside angles will always add up to what? 180 degrees. Everybody needs to pay attention. This is super, super easy. So does everybody remember that a straight line has a measure of 180 degrees? Yes? So what it's saying is all 3 inside angles to any triangle, right triangles, equilateral, isosceles, they're always going to add up to 180 degrees. It is proven to be true. Okay, so what is the angle sum theorem? All 3 angles add up to 180. All interior angles. Yes? Everybody good? All right. Now is this the new theorem that I'm about to teach you that you have not learned. This is called the exterior angle theorem. If you're going to pay attention, now is the time. This is everything we're learning today is right here. The exterior angle theorem says that the measure of the exterior angle, so which angle right here is exterior? A, B, C, or D? This is exterior. The measure of the exterior angle will always equal the measure of the interior angles added together that is not attached to it. It's called remote interior angles. You don't even need to know that. So does everybody see D? So don't use C. See how C is attached to it? These 2 angles that are like on the inside but not attached to it will always add up to equal that angle. And that's the whole point of today's lesson. It's a theorem proven to be true. So every time, if I want to know this exterior angle right here, what would I add? A, N, C. If I want to know this exterior angle, what would I add? B and C. So it's the 2 angles on the inside that are like across from it. You just add them together. So flip to the back and let's do some examples. This is going to be, like I said, super, super easy. All right, so look at the first example. It says, what is the measure of angle DFG? The first thing you need to do is find DFG. So everybody find D. Go to F. Go to G. When I make that motion with my pencil, this is what I'm looking for right here. Does everybody agree? Yes? Are we paying attention? Front row. Get this one. Pay attention. Okay, pay attention. Okay, so if I want DFG, then the exterior angle theorem says all I have to do is add those 2 angles. Yes? So take your calculator and add 24 plus 34. And what is it? What is the answer? So 58 degrees. Super, super easy. All right, look at the next one. It says, what is the value of x? Since x is an exterior angle, the theorem says all you have to do is add the interior angles that aren't attached to it. So what am I going to add? 48 plus 52, which is 100. Okay, look at the next one. What is the value of x? Since x is an exterior angle, what am I going to add? 40 and 45, which is 85. Now, how will this be asked on the STAR test? This next example is a STAR question. Does it look hard? Yes. It looks overwhelming and it looks confusing. So I am going to teach you how to do this. Are y'all ready? It's super easy. Everybody look at the question. It says, based on the triangles below, which statement is correct? Now, look at every single answer choice. What are they all talking about? N. So everybody look. Every single answer choice is talking about N. Which picture has N in it? Okay, everybody agree this picture doesn't have anything to do with N? Don't need it. Does this picture have anything to do with N? I don't need it. Does this picture have anything to do with N? So, how would I find the value of N? Add what? 60 plus 65. So put that in your calculator. Do 60 plus 65. What's the answer? 125. Now, find the answer that says N is 125 and don't even worry about the explanation. Which one has the answer correct? H. Did the STAR test need to make that question that difficult? No, but are they going to? Yes. So always look at the answer choices to what they're asking for. Don't worry about the other pictures and then just use what you know to solve. Okay? This assignment is super, super easy. I need y'all to listen to me. You are going to have me check your answers. Okay? Then you'll submit, and then you need to get on IXL or do any missing work for me.